how do you get Claude Code to make n8n workflows? Let me show you. It's simpler than people make it out. So simply, Claude Code, let's search this up. And then all you're going to do is go here, boom, and then you literally just copy this, bam, paste it in here into terminal. Let's make a new tab. And all you'd have to do is paste it in, boom, and then that should get Claude Code. Now, once you get Claude Code, to get it up and running, you literally just write Claude. And now from here, we can code directly from where we are. So we literally just say, make me this app, and it will do it. Now, if you want to make an n8n workflow and you're using n8n Cloud like me, all you have to do is go, where is it, down here, settings, we'll pop it out. You can see n8n API. If we click on here, all we have to do is create a new API key, and then we can go here and we'll just write, I'll write Claude 2, and then we'll save that. Gives me this key. Don't give it to anyone. I'll delete mine after this video comes out, and I'll simply say, make a simple n8n agent for my n8n. Well, that's fine. API key is here. Alright, n8n instance URL is, because all we have to do is give it the API key, and we have to give it our like cloud here, so your URL, and I'm just saying make a simple agent, just so it does something. And then in here, now you can get it to go away and do it. Now, in this other tab here, interestingly, I'm going and it's actually creating stuff in Google Sheets as well, at least this is what we're trying to get it to do, so that it can create entire workflows, including setting up the Google Sheets and stuff, but we'll see how that goes. But anyway, in the meantime, all this is going to do is, let's see, so what should the n8n agent be able to do? Let's just do an interactive chatbot. Let me just write something. Interactive chatbot using Gemini, for example. And then it'll go away now, and it'll build that in n8n. We'll just keep the video running so you can see how it works. But it'll go and use your n8n instance with that API key. Basically, the API key is just you give it a key to get in, and then your URL is like the address, and then it can get in. And these API keys as well, they have, you can change the settings as to like what permissions they have. By default, they have everything. So I'm just giving it everything. If you're going to be giving it access, consider whether you should give it everything or not. But anyway, that's how simple it is to get this up and running. Let's just click yes and allow all edits. Cool, and there we go. So it has created it here. Let's go. You can see it here inside of n8n. Now, nothing super exciting. I just wanted proof that it could actually come over here and create something. So there you go. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.